I don't know what just happened, but here's the LED. Oops, sorry about that. I'll plug in my DMX body, daisy chain. Now, with these lights, these whack-ass lights, these are the four for the floor. How it is, let's see if you can keep up with this design. Alright, so this is Perry Hall stage. This big green line right here is the back curtain. These are 4 LEDs, or the 4 across the table. Then this is where the curtain would be on the front. It's not all the way open. That's what those 4 are. But I don't have a strong enough LED throw. I mean DMX signal, because I don't have a signal booster to get all of those to throw. So there's 3.0 that doesn't want to work. There's 2.0 right here. So we'll open that. Turn the lights on. One interface detected. You can still hear that light. My DMX buddy. Boom! Alright, so this would be... Fuck. And this is why I don't like these lights. Because they're so freaking picky. Alright. Let's reopen 2.1. That's the file I wrote for the scanner center over there for my DMX. They work. The one scanner though is glitchy because once again, cheap knockoffs. What the hell is going on? I hate these knockoff lights. I don't have the money to buy good ones, but these ones should fucking work. Right. Piles and piles of LED. Oh, that's probably broken now. Piles and piles of LED. I hate technology. I hate being a lighting tech. Third time's the charm. There we go. One detected. God, will you stop popping up? I know. Time unlimited. There we go. Now we got stuff working. This is Key Largo. It's actually blue and white rolling waves. Then we'll have our blackout. This would be God Bless Texas. That's white. That's white. Blue, amber, Massachusetts. Red. The devil went down to Georgia. It's red, white, and amber. Virginia is for coaster lovers. It's supposed to be pinkish. You can tell up there. Here, let's go back. Okay, in person it's white. Blackout. Don't mess with Texas. Blue, amber, Massachusetts. Random pinks and whites in there as well. Red, double went down to Georgia. There's that amber for Virginia is for coaster lovers. California girls, pink, white, red, and blue. They actually switch. Wake Me Up in Vegas is what you see. It's just static macros actually. Sweet home Alabama. It's supposed to be orange. Just the chasing channel 1, channel 8, channel 1, channel 8. You can see it over here, 1 and 8. Channel 1, channel 8. It's supposed to be a light blue. There's strobes to the bass line on this song. Miley Cyrus, Party in USA. My favorite song. This one's just me, and it's only like 30 seconds of a song. TNT. It's blinking red and white. It's just all my special lights. And then post show, it's just, I can't get on the fade, but that's that. And these lights that go on the floor will do basically what those lights are doing, but up the curtain of the auditorium. But I have to do, so how it's gonna work, these would be the two closest to me, channel 1, channel 8. They'll run from this particular laptop because that one's gonna be running emulation from Elation for my Robe, my 2 Robe 170 ATs. It's gonna run out of this laptop into the first cluster of lights. Wireless transmitter out of channel 8 up to the grid to channel 1. Channel 8 transmitter out to the grid, channel 1. Channel 8 transmitter out to the floor, channel 1, channel 8. If I'm confusing you, I apologize. If you're a DJ or a technician, you'll know what I'm saying. Because the reason I'm doing it wireless is because I don't have enough XLR cables. Because I'm going to do the LEDs wireless. I'm going to run wired from that HP to the robes. I'm going to need to run from a snake to the pit to a soundboard, to split out from that soundboard to a Mackie Thump on the right side of the stage and a Mackie Thump on the left side of the stage for Mackie Thump 12s for stage monitors. And then I have to run a Crown PZM floor mic back to that snake, which if we go back to the diagram of the stage, the edge of the stage would be here. Don't mind this. This is that was me counting DMX cables. That's not happening. See, the 2 up in the grid and the 2 on the curtain. Anyway, the snake is snake. So I have to run this way to the soundboard, and then from the soundboard, thump, and then there is PZM there, and then from TJ's on the corner of the stage, laptop out to this one, then transmit to that one, to that one, to that one. Dotted lines are the transmitter lines. Then there's a robe. I can't draw. There's a hard wire from there to there. Then there'll be another robe right there. That'll be hardwired. That's that. Then up here in the catwalk, there's a Parcan, P-A-R-S. Those go to a plug and play controller, which then gets routed back here. There's more lights right here. They connect together. They run back over here. Then there's LED scanners that are plug and play, and they run back here. Don't mind all this. They're out of there. So everything up here, it looks easy on paper. Actually, that looks like a bloody mess. I got to do all this within 2 hours. Get all these up and running in 2 hours. Talking to the nation. Talking to the nation. And that's how that works. It sucks. So we're gonna end it on this.